Welcome to this DelfStack tutorial video. In today's tutorial, we will learn how to turn off age restriction on Discord Mobile. Age-restricted content on Discord is controlled by server settings and your account's age information. On mobile, some channels may appear locked if Discord believes the content is age-gated. To start, open the Discord app and go to your profile. From the profile, click on the gear icon at the top right. Then click on Content and Social. From here, make sure to turn on the Enable Age-Restricted Content option, so Discord can show sensitive channels where allowed. If a specific server has age-restricted channels, you may need to verify your age within that server. This is usually done by reacting to a verification message or following the server's instructions. Once verified, the restricted channels should become visible. Keep in mind that if your account age is under the required limit, age-restricted content cannot be disabled manually. In that case, only server-specific verification or an official update can change access. We just learned how age restriction works on Discord Mobile and how to check privacy and verification settings to access restricted channels. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to check out the next DelfStack tutorial videos.